Does that look familiar? Of course it does. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and that's right, Gracious Pig is now serving breakfast in the mornings. Let's go check it out. So they have the oyster roast Saturday, December the 9th from 2 to 7 at the Gracious Pig. And they also have December breakfast with Santa, December the 16th from 9 to 12.
Across the street though. Yeah, I'm John the GM at Pizza Hyena. Come on out and see us. We'll take good care of you. Today we got black and blue chicken pizza, black and chicken, some blue cheese.
And here we are going inside, and as you can tell, it is a packed restaurant. And look at all that delicious food coming out. Look at that. And that's Richie, the owner, that's back there helping in this busy Friday morning. And of course, I had to go with the apple cinnamon mimosa. Okay, so I decided to go with Papa's Big Breakfast. I got 2 eggs, which were sunny side up, yummy, country ham, and hash browns, and a Gracious biscuit.
Good night. Look at your hand.
Now that's a biscuit. Look at my head. Wow. I bet your grandma didn't make biscuits like this.
And I decided to go with the Gracious Biscuit and Gravy. It's a giant square buttermilk biscuit smothered with homemade sausage gravy, topped with more local sausage and green onions. And I added an egg for $1.50.
All right, they're open all year for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. From breakfast from 8 to 12. I think this just became my new favorite breakfast.
And what's this?
Tennessee Old Smoky Moonshine, and you know how I love that moonshine. So come check them out.
Well, there's a look at the Gracious Pig right here in Surfside Beach. South Carolina. How'd you like yours?
I loved it. That country ham was so good. It wasn't too salty. It was right on point. And those biscuits, oh my goodness. Did you see them? They were like out of this world. They were huge. Uh-oh. I think I just felt a drop.
The biscuits were big enough for 2 people, actually.
They were like as big as our heads. So you could definitely share.
One big as mine.
Yeah, well, mine too. But you could definitely share breakfast there.
And we might have to get an umbrella.
I think so. Let's go to the car. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up by hitting that like button. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button, and that'll let you know what's going on around the beach so you can keep up with what's going on around here.
And like I've always said, you never know when that weather's going to come in. So make sure you're always prepared. Until next time, see you in the next video.
Get an umbrella.
Exactly.
24% chance. Look at that. 24%.
Yeah, you never know when it's going to rain on your parade.
It rained on her parade.